Hey, Flocker Trent checking in. Hey, listen. What strategies are you using to fix yourself? Like, understand, like, what I mean by that is just in life, relationships, all sorts of relationships, like you can dish it out. You can dish the way you act out and expect somebody to take it. And people don't have to take the way that you dish out things, but when somebody care about you, they tend to go through it with you. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't be held accountable to fix it. So what strategies are you taking to fix some of your shortcomings? You ever sat back and tallied up? Don't tally up, sit back and tally up what other people are doing or what life is hitting you with that you don't like. Tally up what are you doing to be counterintuitive, counteractive. What countermeasures are you putting in your relationship? What countermeasures are you putting in yourself that you're working on? When I get serious in relationships with friends, family, spouses, I study them. I document. I visual record, audio record, document. I write down behaviors, traits of them and myself. I study it. Then I go in on an attack of what can I do to be better. If I want to do, if I want this type of relationship, what am I gonna do to sustain it? That's the kind of countermeasures I do. Man, I got notepads. My last relationship, I have notepads of her behavior and my behavior. What I'm gonna do to counteract different ways that I behave. So my question again to you is, what are you doing? What strategies you putting in place to fix yourself? You go and seek counseling? You go and talk or speak about events to people that you can trust, that you never spoke on, that you never opened up about? Because you can't want people to deal with your bullshit. You cannot want people to deal with your bullshit, but not not correct your BS when people tell you about it or when people call you out on it. That's insanity. So you're gonna be on that same BS with your other best friend. You just lost the best friend. You're gonna go and be on that same BS with your other best friend. Guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna lose that best friend. You're gonna be on that BS and marry this lady. And then it don't work because of your BS. You don't want to address your BS. You're gonna go marry another woman and be on the same BS. That is insanity. What strategies are you doing? What strategies are you putting in place in order to fix yourself? We all broken out here. You understand me? We all broken. We all have issues. But some of us are refusing to address our issues. Some of us are purposely withholding fixing, purposely withholding resolutions in order to fix ourselves, man. That's why I say certain steps that y'all can do. Write down your traits. Write down the things that you need to work on, and write down what you can do to move forward and working on it. Do the same thing about your spouse. Write down what your spouse is doing to you, how they making you feel. Also write down what you like about how they making you feel. Compare, pull, and write down what they can do to make you feel better, and what you can do to make yourself feel better when they on they bullshit. I encourage everybody to do that. Even with friendships, you want to test your friendship. Write down what the benefits are, what the cons are. What can they do to be a better friend to you? What can you do to be a better friend to them? You can't lose like that. Flock of Trent. I didn't hear.